America. At the heart of America's entrepreneurial spirit is the ingenuity and leadership of the companies that power our technology achievements. From advanced hardware development, multimedia kiosks and animation, to intelligent internet solutions. Today, we celebrate the accomplishments of 5 Alexandria-based companies and honor one with the 1999 Alexandria Technology Achievement Award.
Hello, I'm Kerry Donnelly, Mayor of Alexandria, Virginia. Today I have the honor of announcing the 5 finalists of the 1999 Alexandria Technology Achievement Award. It's companies like these that best exemplify the quality of business here in Alexandria. Today we're honoring 5 of the best, with quite frankly some amazing products and services. You know, there's a tradition that our city has been connected to the world for over 250 years. That tradition hasn't changed. Our quaint old town has evolved from a seaport transporting goods all over the world to helping the war effort through 2 world wars in today's age of technology. Where once our customers were a block away, today they're just a click away. Alexandria to Beijing in seconds. What a challenging and exciting time we live in. And I'm so proud to be the mayor of Alexandria in these exciting times. This year's finalists are a diverse, unique group, all contributing to the betterment of our community. Animators at Law, Commonwealth Scientific, Cyvalence, Dimensions International, and the Alexandria YMCA. Each of the finalists has worked closely with us to put together a small vignette, a tour, if you will, on their company. So let's take a closer look at the technology and contributions of each of these Alexandria-based companies.
Welcome to the Alexandria YMCA. I'm Barbara Wesley, the Executive Director. The YMCA recognizes the importance of technology in the fitness industry, and coupled with our commitment to provide quality programs for members of the Alexandria community, we have introduced FitLinks into our YMCA. FitLinks is an interactive network which allows our YMCA members to track their workouts. When you initially sign up, you walk up to the kiosk, you punch in your numbers, you begin start workout, and all of your information is downloaded into each piece of equipment. So it reminds you as you approach the leg press that the last time you were on this machine, you lifted X amount of pounds, you did so many repetitions, and it helps you to remember your seat setting, and it actually guides you through your workout. You don't need a college degree to use this. For our YMCA members, FitLinks is free with their membership.
For nearly 4 decades, the Alexandria YMCA has brought the Alexandria community closer together. Today, this familiar institution, located on Monroe Street, enhances its services by offering FitLinks. It's an interactive assistant to maximize physical training for the experienced, as well as teaching the basics to the novice.
A great deal of our work is done in the legal industry. It's no accident either, because I actually went to law school before I founded the company. The kind of work can range from anything involving patent matters, medical malpractice, to sophisticated contract matters, banking matters. A lot of it tends to be visual. For example, someone may have a patented device that's very complex, or it weighs 20 tons, and you can't bring it into a courtroom, you can't explain it to a client. What we do is give them a tool for being able to explain their technology, whether it's a jury or whether it's people in everyday life that have been raised on TV. And the kind of services that we provide help those people interpret information better.
The talented pool of graphic artists, designers, animators, computer programmers, and writers, Animators at Law, takes complicated courtroom drama and turns it into easily understood 3D animation and graphics. Their success story can also be found in the worlds of medicine and commerce, making Animators at Law a leader in notional visualization.
Hello, I'm Walter Sobey, Vice President General Manager of Commonwealth Scientific Corporation. Commonwealth Scientific are engineers and scientists, and we provide engineered solutions to many thin film applications worldwide. We are the innovators of utilizing precision diamond-like carbon for overcoat applications such as in magnetic disk drives. Some of those applications are semiconductor, complementary MOS, laser ring gyros, microwave military integrated circuits, optics, ophthalmics, laser, wear coating. The ion source itself is like a precision miniature sandblaster. We deposit and etch materials that are usually less than 1/1,000,000th of an inch. We utilize vacuum technology in performing our process. All of the gases are collected in these pumps and vented out through a scrubbing process so that the ambient coming out of these pumps is environmentally friendly.
Ion beam technology has been successfully employed for a variety of very critical uses in thin film applications, and Commonwealth Scientific is the leader in ion beam technology. Located in Alexandria since 1966, Commonwealth Scientific designs and manufactures ion beam sources and systems. In fact, there's a part of this company in every single PC manufactured in the United States.
We published a story called The Gray Christmas. It showed people who were out there on the internet selling counterfeit versions of popular products. Anything you could buy on the street corner in New York, you can now buy over the internet. The big difference is you got 100 million people accessing the internet, and you probably have 1,000 people on the street corner of New York on a best case scenario. What Cyvalence does is we help companies that own well-known brands protect those brands against misuse in cyberspace, then ultimately report those brand violations back to our customers, who then take action against the people who are misusing their brands in cyberspace. And what Cyvalence can do is we go out on the internet and we find pages that are misusing their intellectual property, their logos, their trademarks, that kind of thing. Old Town Alexandria is an interesting place to have a company. So there's a community here. There are a lot of things happening, and I know for a company like ours, where we work a lot of hours, we work really hard, and we like to spend some social time together, it really affords us the opportunity.
More than 80% of Fortune 1000 companies are victims of brand abuse in cyberspace. Cyvalence patrols the internet, representing some of the nation's largest corporations, searching for copyright and intellectual rights infringements, and is now the business world's gateway to safe commerce on the internet.
Dimensions International is an information technology engineering company. One of our specialties has been in aviation technology. Now, the airlines use the system because they, one, would like to know where the aircraft are at all times. At the same time, they like to know exactly what time that plane is going to be landing. There's certain things that needs to happen on the ground in preparation for that aircraft coming in. So some of our customers, they are small airlines, and they can't afford a $1 million system. But they can subscribe to our system and for our data at a very low cost. And once you get technology moving, and we have good engineers and people like we have, they're always coming up with new ideas to improve the product and improve the way in which we can deliver the product and services to not only our commercial clients, but also to the general public.
Over the past several years, Dimensions International engineers have developed a number of flight data products for the Federal Aviation Administration. Based on tracking and monitoring air traffic, they now offer a suite of products currently being used by the FAA, the airline industries, and even consumers through the internet. These affordable products are designed to run on PCs, LANs, and communication systems without the need for additional hardware. Each of these companies exemplify the spirit of the 1999 Alexandria Technology Achievement Award. We salute you for your outstanding accomplishments. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Here's Mayor Kerry Donnelly to announce this year's winner.